Welcome to the Global Yard. Today, we are setting off on an enchanting 3-day journey through Istanbul, Turkey. A city that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia. Istanbul is a vibrant melting pot of cultures, histories, and flavors. From its stunning architecture and historic sites to its bustling markets and delicious cuisine, Istanbul offers an unforgettable travel experience. Join us as we explore the best of what this magnificent city has to offer in just 3 days. Our journey begins in the heart of Istanbul, a city that has served as the capital of 3 great empires: Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman. Known for its rich history and cultural diversity, Istanbul is a place where East meets West, creating a unique blend of traditions and modernity. With its iconic landmarks, vibrant bazaars, and scenic Bosphorus views, Istanbul promises to captivate and inspire. Day 1. Historical and cultural landmarks. We start our adventure in Sultan Ahmet, the historic center of Istanbul. This area is home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Begin your day at the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Originally built as a cathedral, it later became a mosque and is now a museum. The grandeur of its massive dome and stunning mosaics is truly breathtaking. Just a short walk away is the Blue Mosque. Known for its 6 minarets and beautiful blue Iznik tiles that adorn its interior. The mosque is still in use, so be sure to check visiting hours for non-worshippers. Next, head to the nearby Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans. Explore the opulent courtyards, lavish rooms, and the harem section where the sultan's family lived. The palace also houses a vast collection of treasures, including the famous Topkapi dagger and the spoonmaker's diamond. For lunch, indulge in some traditional Turkish cuisine at one of the local restaurants in Sultan Ahmet. Try dishes like kebabs, mezes, and baklava for dessert. In the afternoon, visit the Basilica Cistern, an underground marvel built in the 6th century to store water for the city. The dimly lit, column-filled space is both eerie and fascinating, with carp swimming in the shallow waters below. To end your first day, stroll through the bustling streets of the Grand Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world. With over 4,000 shops, the bazaar is a treasure trove of carpets, spices, jewelry, and souvenirs. Practice your bargaining skills and take home a piece of Istanbul. Day 2. Exploring the Bosphorus and beyond. On your second day, start with a visit to the Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar. This vibrant market is filled with the enticing aromas of spices, dried fruits, nuts, and Turkish delight. It's the perfect place to pick up some unique gifts and treats. Afterward, take a leisurely cruise along the Bosphorus Strait, which separates Europe and Asia. The cruise offers stunning views of Istanbul's skyline, including landmarks like the Dolmabahce Palace, the Bosphorus Bridge, and the Maiden's Tower. You can opt for a short or long tour, but either way, it's a must-do experience. For lunch, head to the vibrant district of Karaköy, known for its trendy cafes and restaurants. Enjoy a meal with a view of the Galata Tower, another of Istanbul's iconic landmarks. Afterward, visit the tower itself. Climb to the top for a panoramic view of the city and the Bosphorus. In the afternoon, explore the lively neighborhood of Beyoğlu. Start at Istiklal Avenue, a bustling pedestrian street lined with shops, cafes, and historic buildings. Make your way to Taksim Square, the heart of modern Istanbul. From there, take a ride on the nostalgic red tram that runs along Istiklal Avenue. In the evening, experience Istanbul's vibrant nightlife in the Beyoğlu district. From chic rooftop bars to traditional meyhanes, taverns, with live Turkish music, there's something for everyone. Day 3. Artistic and culinary delights. Begin your final day with a visit to the Istanbul Modern, the city's premier contemporary art museum. Located on the waterfront in the Karaköy district, the museum showcases works by Turkish and international artists, offering a fresh perspective on the city's vibrant art scene. Next, head to the historic district of Balat, known for its colorful houses and narrow streets. This area has become increasingly popular with artists and photographers. Wander through the charming streets, visit the Orthodox Patriarchate, and enjoy a coffee at one of the local cafes. For lunch, treat yourself to some of Istanbul's famous street food. Try simit, a sesame-coated bread ring, midi dolma, stuffed mussels, or a durum, Turkish wrap, from one of the many street vendors. In the afternoon, cross the Bosphorus to the Asian side of Istanbul. Visit the district of Kadıköy, known for its lively market and bohemian atmosphere. Explore the bustling fish market, sample local delicacies, and enjoy the laid-back vibe of the neighborhood. Don't miss the chance to try some traditional Turkish tea or coffee at a local cafe. As the sun sets, make your way to Tamlika Hill for a stunning panoramic view of Istanbul. This is one of the best spots in the city to watch the sunset over the Bosphorus, with the skyline of Istanbul creating a beautiful backdrop. For dinner, return to the European side and head to the district of Nişantaşı, known for its upscale dining and shopping. Enjoy a gourmet meal at one of the stylish restaurants, and perhaps end the night with a cocktail at a nearby bar. In terms of accommodation, Kadıköy offers a more relaxed atmosphere and is a great choice for those looking to experience a different side of Istanbul. As we wrap up our 3-day journey in Istanbul, it's important to remember some general safety tips for the city. Like any major metropolis, it's wise to stay vigilant, keep an eye on your belongings, and avoid overly crowded areas where pickpocketing can occur. Stick to well-lit and populated areas, especially at night, and always be aware of your surroundings. Have you visited Istanbul, or are you planning a trip soon? We'd love to hear about your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The Global Yard, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides, and visit our website, theglobalyard.com, for more travel inspiration. As they say in Turkey, seyahat etmek en büyük mutluluktur. Traveling is the greatest happiness. Safe travels and see you on the next adventure.